Boy, chitter boy! Good morning, everyone. Mike Fisher from Fighting Fish today. I'm here with my son Zachary, and we are in Istanbul, Turkey. Population 16 million, and I feel they're all with me right now. Anyway, we flew in late last night from Paris on a beautiful flight with Turkish Airlines. I'm gonna have to tell you right now, if you want to fly and you have an opportunity to go on Turkish Airlines, I'd do it. Anyway, we got in late last night. We actually had someone pick us up at the airport because we were about a 45-minute drive from the Turkish airport to our hotel, and we thought, you know what, we don't know where we are. We couldn't even pronounce the streets, so we thought we better have someone get us. And the hotel sent someone for us, and it was actually great. Anyway, just a little note here. As we arrived last night, we didn't realize we had to have a visa to get into the country. So if you are planning on coming to Turkey, bring an extra 50 euros or 75 US per person, because you're gonna need it just to get in. And you'll have to do that before you go through customs. Besides that, life is good. We're just going out to adventure, and we're gonna find out what this Istanbul, where are we, in the Blue Mosque area? What's it called? Sultanate? I'll put it down below.
I'll put it down below.
We'll put it down below. Anyway, join us, because today, it's gonna be amazing. So we just finished breakfast, and now we're climbing this small mountain, it feels like. And we're heading to the Grand Bazaar. We're gonna go check it out. I actually might get a haircut and see how that goes. So join us, let's go. We just arrived to the Grand Bazaar after, actually, probably only about a 10-minute walk from our hotel, which was absolutely nice. So of course it was all uphill, but that's okay. I need to burn off breakfast. Anyway, we're going in and we're gonna go check this out. Looks like we gotta go through maybe a metal detector, eh, Zach? Let's see about this. This place is huge. Holy moly, there's a lot of people here. Lamps, I love lamps. Yes, I will. I will.
Put my Instagram, my name, so people, your fans, followers, visit.
Holy moly.
All inside. Your office is beautiful.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Doing YouTube.
This is the best store that you can have reasonable price and free delivery service. And recommended store by National Geographic Traveler magazine.
Well, we almost bought a carpet. Wasn't even planning on looking at a carpet that early in the day, but you know, it was a real bargain at $4,500 US shipped right to my door. I was almost gonna buy two. Zach kind of slapped me out of it and said, "Hey Dad, we just got here, maybe we get a better deal." So, don't go. Beautiful. Wow. Ooh, this is cool. Wow, this is really cool. Okay, the ceiling in here is all brick and it's like coffered. I don't know if it's called coffered or what the ceiling type is. I did take that in school, but it is beautiful. It is so cool in here. Morning. Oh, these are cool, eh? Oh, I love these antique kind of stores.
$450.
Wow. And why is he so expensive?
19th century pieces, VM bronze piece.
Wow. That is beautiful. I'm just looking at this guy right here.
These are new ones.
These are
Also
brand
hand
new.
painting, yes.
Hand painted, and that's made out of a heavy metal.
Lead.
It's lead, okay.
Not bronze.
Well, thank you. That is cool. And you have silver?
Yes, this is silver. It's a Chinese calendar.
How much are those?
Each one is $200.
200. So we're in the old bazaar here, and it's all antiques, old silver, old little figurines. Really interesting. So unique. Oh my gosh, that step is worn right down. It's probably like a solid piece of marble or granite or something. That is cool. Probably been stepped on for, 1,000 years. If you're into food, history, and culture, Istanbul could be for you. Anyway, stay with us. We're in Istanbul for a few more days. Like and subscribe. Finding Fish.